Naughty Penguin, Pico. Chapter 3, Lost in the Amazon Rainforest. Pico, the mischievous little penguin, arrived in the Amazon rainforest after a long journey. As he landed, Pico was amazed by the majestic beauty of the place. Gigantic trees, tangled vines, and the sounds of wildlife filled the forest.
Wow, is this the Amazon? I've never seen a place so lush and green.
While exploring, Pico accidentally strayed off the path and ventured deeper into the forest. Pico encountered a mischievous monkey swinging on a branch, who grabbed his hat and ran away.
Hey, give me back my hat. After a fun chase, Pico caught up with the monkey. The monkey introduced himself.
I'm Miko. Nice to meet you.
While searching for the way, the two heard the growl of a jaguar.
We have to get out of here before it notices us.
Miko led Pico through a shortcut, helping them avoid the jaguar. Next, they had to cross a wide river by swinging on vines and jumping across rocks.
You're so good at climbing, Miko, but I'm not used to this.
Finally, the two found a trail leading out of the jungle. Standing on a hilltop with a view of the vast Amazon rainforest, Pico thanked Miko for helping him escape the jungle.
Thank you, Miko. Without you, I'd still be lost in the jungle.
Next time you return, I'll be ready to guide you.